Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage battery saver on Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, then open System. Here look for Power and Battery. Scroll down again and enter Battery Saver. Now you should see three different options. You can activate your battery saver here right now with this button or turn it off as well. Then there's the option that allows you to turn on battery saver automatically at a certain battery percentage or put it on never. We can also enable or disable lower screen brightness when using battery saver right here with the switch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.